Hello friends, this is Dave. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Laymans Tech Adda. The main idea behind creating this YouTube channel is to explain technical things in simplest layman terms possible to make sure they won't sound like an alien language to us while people talk about them or while we come across them frequently in official life. So the content in this channel is not too deep nor too basic, but I have tried my best for it to be understandable by even a layman, irrespective of their nature of job, for their understanding. Example, if you are from a coding background, database background, or from the finance team, now there is no rule book which says you cannot learn about how VPN works being from another stream, right? So learning is a never-ending process for life, for sure, and we have to try to learn whatever comes our way. We never know what will be useful at what time. In the corporate environment, irrespective of which platform or nature of job we may be in, I'm sure we all have come across some frequently used words like domain controller, Active Directory, patches, DLP, subnet, proxy, VPN, and many more. So, the first topic I chose for my channel today to talk about is subnet, or you can call it subnetwork. So, what is a subnet or subnetwork? Now, in simple terms, subnet or subnetwork is a process of dividing a network into two or more IP networks or smaller segments. Example, if an entire building has one network, it can be divided into multiple subnets and VLANs based on the requirement of the organization. We'll talk about VLAN in other video. So coming to the subnet, each subnet can be assigned to different projects in the building, but can be managed and all can be connected together through a router. So if a subnet wants to contact another subnet, it has to go via the router, uh, connecting all the networks together. You can see on the screen there is a main network which is divided into four subnets, and all the four subnets can communicate to each other via router. They can also communicate to the main network from where they are divided from. So if you want me to be more simple in explanation, let's take an example of a joint family. Nowadays, we don't have joint families much, but I mean, like, if we take an example of a joint family, uh, let's say a joint family of five brothers, and they all live in a big house together. Now, in a general family, what happens? Father takes care of things like dropping the kids to school, taking important financial decisions, etc. Now, in a joint family too, the father has to take care of everything like grocery, shopping for the week, for the whole family, uh, dropping the grandchildren to school, taking care of repairs around the house, taking major financial decisions of the house, etc., which is very hectic managing alone, right? But what if the work is divided among others in the family? Now, let's say the first son is given the responsibility of groceries. Uh, the second son is given the responsibility of repairs around the house. So, likewise, if all have a specific daily course to take care, house is well managed, isn't it? So there won't be an extra burden on only one single member of the family, which is father, the head of the house. So they all belong to one family, but each of them are divided by different living rooms in the house and different responsibilities each. So everybody's common point is head of the house, father, who manages and communicates to all the people in the house. Just like the local IT team, the backbone of any organization, which manages all the networks. I'm sorry, I'm running out of battery. Uh, so let me finish this quickly. So next time you see a local IT guy at your workplace, just say thank you for everything, all right? No need to mention anything, just say thank you for everything. So, subnet is all one network, yet divided into two or more network segments as per the requirement of the company. So, each subnet has different types of access and functions and allocated to different departments, and each subnet is managed by different teams in large organizations, etc. But all are divided from the one main network. Basically, an IP address is divided into two fields, a network prefix and a host ID. Now, subnet methodology uses some portion of the host ID field to identify the individual subnets in your organization. So that's all folks for now today. As promised at the beginning of the video, I have kept the content of the video very simple and as per the basic layman understanding. But now that you have watched this video, I would suggest you guys do some research on classes of IP address like class A, B, C, uh, etc. And try to know more about IPs and networks. And also, if you want to give any suggestions for the future videos, I would welcome that. Really, I would love that. And if you like the content of the video, please hit like, hit the bell icon, subscribe and share. So thank you friends for visiting my channel. This is Dave signing off until my next video. Goodbye for now. See you again. See ya friends. Ciao.